I am Dr. Arvind Kumar Yadav, HOD in Faculty of Commerce in Government PG College, Badalpur. This is our last topic, that is introduction of Tally. As we discussed earlier, how we maintain the accounts in double entry system, but all of us know that if there is some difference in the trial balance, then we have to consume so much time and energy to find out that reason of difference. Tally is the solution of all those problems. In Tally, as we enter the transaction is duly posted in ledger and also enters in the trial balance. The transaction is duly recorded in trading and profit and loss account and balance sheet also. If we want to see the trial balance or balance sheet after some transactions, then we have a click on some keys. So, we can say that Tally solve our so many problems. Tally is a financial software package designed by Tally Solutions mainly for small and medium business and shops. Tally software is used by over 2 million users in 90 countries. Tally ERP 9 is the latest version to date. Tally is a complete business accounting and inventory management software that provides various facilities like government support formats, multilingual operations, online functions and processing for small and medium business. Dear learners, let us start meaning of Tally. Tally is an accounting software that is designed to integrate, automate all our business transactions. Every business has various processes which can range from simple to complex. As your business grows, acquires new computers and enters new markets, you need to maintain highly accurate and up to date accounting and inventory records. Accounting software such as Tally helps you to simplify, integrate and streamline all your business transactions in an easy and cost effective manner. Tally ERP 9 is the latest version of Tally which comes in various enhancements to make handling and processing of business transactions even easier and quicker. It can handle the account of more than one company simultaneously. It is very simple to use and allows you to enter data in various formats. In addition, you can view information of any period, compare data across companies and financial periods, maintain record details and generate reports. So, now dear learners, we will discuss about the features of Tally. Main features of Tally are as: first, it maintains all the primary books of accounts like cash book and bank book. Second, Tally maintains all registers like purchase register, sales register and general register. Third, Tally maintains all statement of accounts like balance sheet, profit and loss account, trial balance, cash flow, stock statement and ratio analysis. Fourth, a Tally can maintain outstation reports. Fifth, it may provide complete bill wise information of amounts receivable as well as payable either party wise or group wise. Sixth, it can provide a report for a particular date or reports for any range of dates. Seventh, it provides the facility of bank reconciliation. Now, dear learners, let us go on our next part, that is started with Tally. First of all, we have to install a tally.erp 9 by default, in which program files required to run Tally are saved. The user can specify the location of the data directory to save these files and install the program file or on any drive. It does not take more than a minute to install tally.erp 9 on the local hard disk and uses up only about 40 MB of space. Following is the list of basic hardware requirements to run Tally. ERP 9 on a computer system, hardware requirement configuration, process Intel Premium 4 or higher memory 256 MB RAM or more. Free hard disk space 40 MB minimum excluding the data. Monitor resolution recommended 1024 into 768 pixels or higher in order to install Tele. ERP 9 on a computer, you must have sufficient user rights so that you can make necessary changes during the installation process. Also ensure that the operating system you employ supports Tele.ERP 9 formulatingual support. Important steps to open a Tele. The following steps to open Tele.ERP 9. First step is click the start button on the taskbar. A start menu appears. Second step, move the mouse pointer over the all program options in the start menu. Third is move the mouse pointer over the Tele.ERP 9 folder and click it. And last step, move the mouse pointer over the Tele.ERP 9 option and click it. The Tele.ERP 9 windows opens on your screen. So, dear learners, let us learn about to create a company. After installing Tele, the first task you need to carry out is to create a company. In Tele, the first term company signifies an entity for which an independent set of accounts is maintained. It may be a company, a partnership firm, an industry or even a branch office for which a set of accounts is maintained. So, let us learn how to create a company in Tele. On the home page of Tele screen, create company option is available under the title company info. Some important ones are discussed below. First, you write name, type the name of the company you want to create. Second, mailing name and address. The mailing name by the default is the same as the name mentioned above. You can type some other mailing name of the company. The mailing name and address details are picked up for inclusion in any report that needs the company name and address as heading. There are some statutory compliances required. Select the company from the list of countries. The statutory features and base currency symbol are enabled in accordance with the country selected. For example, if the accounts belong to a company in India, the base currency would be Indian rupees, that is INR. The base currency will appear with respect to the country selected. Selecting India from the list of countries brings up a state, PIN code and telephone number field. State, you can select the appropriate state from the predefined list. Second is PIN code, specify the PIN code, that is postal index number of the specified address. Next is telephone, enter the telephone number. Next is email address, enter the email address that will be used to email documents, reports and data from Tele.ERP 9. Next is currency symbol. Currency symbol is the symbol of the base currency, that is the currency that will be used to maintain the books of accounts. The symbol appears by default for Indian companies and the field is left blank for international companies. TRP.ERP 9 displays a drop down for a type of company with options accounts only and accounts with inventory. Select accounts only if you do not have any inventory transactions. However, at a later date you can choose to alter the information as accounts with inventory to maintain both financial accounts and inventory. Next important theme is financial year. In most countries, the books of account of a company are maintained for a stipulated period like 12 months, 15 months and so on. This stipulated period is referred to as the financial year. Use security control. This option provides security control to your company accounts by offering a comprehensive password based access control. After filling all the required information, press enter. A new window will appear asking for confirmation. Accept yes or no. After press OK or enter key, your company will be created. Now, let us start the company info. Once you get your company created, the heading company info has a content of some new options. These options are as follows. First is select company. This option permits you to load any company which was created earlier from the list of companies list. Second is set company. It allows you to exist from the companies not in use from the dialog box. Third is create company, same as done above under same heading. Alter. It allows you to change the information of any existing company. Fill date, the time of creation of company. Next is change Tally Vault, to change the password given earlier at the time of creating the company. Next is split company data. Split the companies to form two companies out of the existing one after the data is specified by the user. In this process, the closing balance of the first company will become the opening balance of second company. Next is backup or restore. This option allows the user to take a backup either on local hard disk or on any external media. The backup of one or more companies can be taken under a single directory. Now, dear learners, there are some shortcut keys in Tally. There are so many shortcut keys. By using those keys, we can save our time. Usage of some keys are as follows. Press F1 for select and set companies. Press F2 for date and period. Press F3 for company and company info. Press F11 for features. Press F12 for configure. Configure. After creating a company in Tally, we can start the work in our company by IST, prepare the accounts. Thereafter, you have to classify the nature of account. You have to create all accounts, either they are personal or impersonal. In Tally, we have to pass only voucher entry. The trial balance, trading and profit and loss account and balance sheet will be automatically done. We can see the trial balance and balance sheet whenever required. Now, dear learners, let us start some advantages of Tally. Tally ERP 9 is holistic business accounting and financial management software that offers innumerable technology advantages. First advantage is good speed and reliability. It runs very fast at low configured system also. More than 70% of small businessmen runs this accounting software. It shows its reliability and quality. Second is simple to use and operate. It is very easy to use Tally accounting software and it can be used to increase the productivity of the organization. Third is data security. Data integrity checks also ensure that no external modification of data can be intervened with Tally. Next, Tally audit. A specified user can be given administrator rights to check for correctness of entries entered by authorized users and make changes where required. Audited entries and alternations made are displayed along with the name of the user who has made those modifications with the time of change. Next, enables effortless data movement. The main benefit of this accounting software is when the data is entered through the application, it is updated throughout the programs. Next is fast data files transactions. The manual process of accounting and spend more time on calculation is prevented through accounting software. Next is to get easy and fast document access. Each and every entry gets updated in the software, and you can make easy way of getting reports of every week, month, quarter or year in a minute. So, dear learners, at last I am going to discuss some limitations of Tally. First is not user friendly at all. One has known accounting knowledge in order to use Tally accounting software. Second, there is no major graphical improvement in old version of Tally. The Indian head office of Tally is continuously launching new versions from Tally 4.5 to Tally 9 ERP, but the graphical user interface, that is GUI interface, is still like old DOS based accounting software. Third is general voucher cannot be amended once created. Fourth, batch wise invoicing not possible in Tally accounting software. Fifth, reorder level of inventory stock cannot be maintained in Tally ERP software. Sixth, last price inquiries is a complex task in Tally ERP software. Seventh, pricing issues like supplying different customer at multiple price lists is quite difficult in Tally accounting software. 8. We cannot open two accounting ledgers in viewing at the same time in Tally ERP software. So, dear learners, in this chapter you learn about what is Tally, how it works, what are the merits and limitations of Tally. I hope you enjoyed and understand well about Tally. Thank you and have a nice day.